Hello and welcome to today's Halloween tutorial. If you have arachnophobia, you'd better turn off the video because today I will show you how to make these spider earrings. In Czech Republic, where I live and where I come from, Halloween is relatively new, but I think that it's quickly becoming a popular holiday. Actually, we have a similar holiday, but not on October the 31st, but on November the 2nd. It's called All Souls Day, and nobody is going door to door collecting sweets in costumes, but we make journeys to visit the graveyards, the places where our relatives rest at last. We decorate the graves, bring flowers and candles in their memory. And now we take a look at our tutorial. So what do we need? A bead mat. It's optional, but it's easier to pick up beads from bead mat than from, for example, from the table. Next we need scissors, beading needle, a strong thread, for example a nymo, 2 glass pearls 10 millimeters, 32 fire polished beads 3 millimeters, black seed beads, this is Czech preciosa, 2 small pompons, these have approximately 15 millimeters. I have bought the whole pack of them in Flying Tiger, 2 earring hooks. These are fish hooks in gunmetal, 2 jump rings in gunmetal, thin copper wire. I have mine in green color. And next we need side cutter, round nose pliers and chain nose pliers. So first we prepare a pompon, then cut a small piece of thread. Thread a needle. Make a knot. I better make 2 knots. And cut the tail. Now we go through the pompon and then go back. We put on a glass pearl and 1 seed bead. Go back through the glass pearl and the pompon. And again back through the pompon and glass pearl. Not the seed bead. Add another seed bead and go back through the glass pearl. These 2 seed beads will create the eyes of the spider. And make a knot between the glass pearl and the pompon. Go through the pompon again. And cut the thread. Now we cut 4 pieces of wire for legs. Of course, spider has 8 legs, but we cut 4 pieces and we wrap the wire around the body of the spider, so we make 2 legs from 1 piece of wire. So we cut about 14 centimeters. This is the first. second, third, and the last one. Now we take all 4 pieces of wire and bend them in half, and we wrap them around the body of the spider between the glass pearl and the pom-pom. So we cross the wires and tied. Now we spread the legs and put on seed beads. I start with the front legs. We put on 9 black seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we put on 1 fire polish bead. I have chosen these beads with a beautiful iridescent finish. Then 8 black seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Again 1 fire polished bead. And finally 2 black seed beads. You can see that the wire is quite long, so we cut the excess, but not too much. Yeah, that length is okay. And to finish the leg, I take my round nose pliers and make a roll this way. Now we do the other front leg. We put on 9 black seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1 fire polished bead. Then 8 black seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1 fire polished bead and 2 black seed beads. Now we cut the wire and we make a roll. I want the other legs a little bit shorter than the front ones, so I put 7 black seed beads instead of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One fire polished bead. 5 black seed beads instead of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1 fire polish bead. And finally 2 seed beads. And again I cut the wire and make a roll. And we do the other 5 legs the same way. The legs are finished and now we give them the right shape, so we bend them a little bit in the points where are fire polish beads. Now we take jump ring and open it with pliers. Go through the loop of the second leg and put on fish hook and close the jump ring. The spider is finished and we do the second one the same way to make a pair of earrings. The only difference will be that we put on the fish hook on the opposite leg to spiders facing the same way. So now I have both of them. I think that they look quite amazing and they are easy to make. I especially love this hairy part. I like to make these beaded spiders. You can use the small remains of beads that you have from other projects. They also look amazing as brooches or just a decoration at your home. I will show you the brooches in some of the next tutorial, especially how to attach the brooch pin, because it can be a little bit tricky. And that's all for today. I hope that you liked this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and happy Halloween!